Well, at the end of these two units, I have learned about identity and culture, but not all also the not only about the information. I have learned how to apply them in our reality because we may know about identity and culture, but how to apply them. And first of all, I have started with myself, and I have learned to identify who am I. And I think that in order to know who am I am now capable of to know who my students are. And it's not the same that if I enter to my classroom and watch my students and I think I don't care. But now I feel a big challenge to identify one by one of my students and to know who they are. Because if I want to be a good teacher, I have to be capable of to develop their own skills. And we are all different, but different is not bad. Different means that we have our own differences, but we can learn about our own differences. Also, I have learned that culture means that we may be being creative and raised in the same environment, but it doesn't mean that we may be the same. Because I see in my own classmates, we all have maybe from the same place, we are being studying in the same place, but we are not the same. My classmates, they may learn in a different way. They may need more time to study to apply more the knowledge, maybe to watch movies or to listen more than I do. But it also makes me to believe that the differences make us develop a better person. And it's important that if I am a good teacher and if I learn through my students, I can develop them a better learning. And how I know that I have learned, it's important that question because at the beginning I wasn't able to answer the question who am I or to answer the question what is culture. But now I feel capable to answer that because at the beginning I thought that identity and culture were separated, but now I know that they are not detached from each other. They are they are um, different parts, but both of them create our own identity because the parts of identity, for example, has been created according to what culture is, because it's not the same one culture from another. And if I know that if I was raised in another country, my identity maybe could be different than the identity that I have now. Um, I know that we have different parts of different cultures, but I think that we have to learn to converge them in our own society. Also, in order to improve my language skills, I have studied grammar and independently and how to speak and how to write and watching movies and TV series from other countries and speaking in English with my classmates.